The Gigabyte B650 AORUS Elite AX motherboard includes a front panel header that connects your computer case's essential buttons and indicator lights to the motherboard. These connectors allow the power button, reset button, power LED, and hard drive activity LED on your case to function properly. Because these connectors use small individual pins, installing them correctly is important for your PC to start and operate as expected. With the motherboard diagram and proper pin alignment, connecting the front panel header is a quick and straightforward step during PC assembly. And try these. Step 1. Locate the front panel header labeled F panel on the lower right corner of the motherboard. Step 2. Identify the case cables labeled Power SW, Reset SW, HDD LED, and Power LED coming from the PC case. Step 3. Use the motherboard manual diagram to match each cable with the correct pin position on the F panel header. Step 4. Carefully attach the connectors to the pins, ensuring LED cables follow the correct positive and negative orientation. Step 5. After installation, power on the PC to confirm the power button and indicator lights work correctly.